Blessings, everyone. This will be a really quick, short, to the point video regarding painting a slide. I did not see that many available videos when I was doing some research, so I decided I will record my process. We do have a pool slide. We did get a quote on getting it replaced. Well, we wanted someone to come and give us a quote on like refreshing it up, but they said it just needed to be replaced. That replacement from two different companies was around $3,000 to $4,000. Not gonna do that. So I did do some research, and I am going to be using this Total Boat Wet Edge 1-part polyurethane top side paint for our slide. I did get it in a blue color because our current slide is similar to this. I will show you what I'm working with to begin with, and I will kind of give you break down the process. I'm kind of just going with the flow on this, so hopefully this will be helpful. Now what we're working with, we did buy this house a few months ago, and there's a lot of little things that need to be done. This is the slide. Kids absolutely love it, but look at it. It just looks a mess. We're on a corner lot, so it looks a mess from the street. So what my plan is to kind of take a sander, sand it up, use my sprayer, and spray the slide down. So this is what we have right now. So I do have a sanding block. There's not much to really sand, but I am just kind of coming through and getting everything nice and smooth. So far, I'm gonna add some more tarp or coverage stuff so that the overspray won't get everywhere. I'm really not that concerned with it though, because all of this is gonna get cleaned up, like all of this concrete. So if paint happens to get on it, not that concerned. But I do have this wrapped up, the stairs, and I'm gonna do these handles up here. I'm not the best at wrapping gifts, and I mean, you can tell I just really threw it up any kind of way, and I'm wrapping basically everything that I don't want to get paint. But that is it. I have already sanded it, and it did fine. It's super smooth. It's gonna be great. I feel it. So yeah, this is the color blue. Hope it's picking up well. The lighting is really and we'll be using this Wagner hand sprayer, and we're using the smaller attachment. Okay, this is some like during progress shots. See the before, this is the after. So it's definitely working, and it's looking really good. This side coming along really well. This is approximately 2 weeks later. But I mean, when I say I am so happy with these results, the paint worked really well. It has this really pretty glisten and sheen to it. I love how it came out. Just love it.